What's going on, everybody? This is Jaden with How to Apple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent other people from seeing your phone number when you call them on their caller ID. So we're going to go into settings. You can do that by swiping down and just typing in settings. And as you can see, I'm right in settings. I'm going to scroll down to when I see phone. I'm going to click on that. And right here, right at the bottom, you'll see where it says show my caller ID. I'm going to click on that. And right now it's turned on. So whenever I call somebody, it's going to show them my phone number. But if I want to hide that automatically, I can turn that off. And that pretty much is it. So whenever I call somebody, it'll show unknown caller. So hopefully that video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll definitely reply to you. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel so you can learn how to Apple without the E.